So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and interesting tutorial where in this tutorial we're going to discuss how you can link or change a phone number to your LinkedIn account. If you don't know, the adding your phone number to your or linking your phone number to your LinkedIn account gives you a lot of additional features, like your contacts will be visible in the LinkedIn account, so it would be easier for you for making the connections. So in order to change the phone number or to add the phone number on your LinkedIn account, you have to just simply open the LinkedIn and log into your LinkedIn account. You can do the same process on mobile application of LinkedIn as well. For this video I'm going to show you how you can do the same on LinkedIn web. So I open the LinkedIn on Chrome browser or any web browser. If you want to open the LinkedIn, I just simply open my LinkedIn account over there. When I log into my LinkedIn account, you can see I'm in my LinkedIn. Now at the top window, you have to just simply click on your profile option. You can see just right there. When I click there, you have to go to the option of settings and privacy in this small window. When you click there, you are now in the settings of your LinkedIn. Now to change the phone number, all you have to do is to just simply go to the option of sign in and security in the left window. You can see just right there. Just simply go to the option of sign in and security. Now you are in the account access of your account. You are in the section. Now you will see, and the second option, the phone number option. When you just simply click on this option, from here you can see I have your current phone number will written over there. You can either remove this phone number over there. You can see the button of remove, or you can add a phone number as well. And if you want to change this phone number, and an additional settings will be available for you. If you want to use your phone number for resetting the password, OTP will be sent to your phone number. You can disable this option if you don't want to do that, or it may be enabled by defaultly. So by this method you can easily change the phone number in your LinkedIn account. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for having such more helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.